Hey guys, it's me again. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Astamon from Digimon Fusion. If you must know, Astamon is one of the Digimon Hunter's partners, and in the finale of that series, he turned out to be Quartzmon, the main villain. But he was actually the first Digimon to be sent to the Digiquartz, and he was able to enter his partner's consciousness and obtain the data that the hunters have been gathering and collecting. Anyways, I don't know when we're gonna see Astamon again in the show, but if you don't watch the Digimon Fusion Season 3, be sure to go online and see it for yourself. Anyways, I'm really looking forward to see a Digimon Fusion in Series 2 in English, but I'm not sure. But I'm not sure when it's going to come out on Series 2, Series 8. Well, we're going to find out soon enough. Okay, so now that I got his head done, let's draw his hair. There's his face. There's his other side of his hair. Okay, Astamon, he has like hair coming to the back of him. Okay, so here's his vest right here. Okay, so his scarf has stripes here. Okay, there's his scarf. Next up is his jacket. Here's his glove. Okay, so please forgive me if this thing's a bit too much. Okay, let me know if the shoes aren't. At least I get some of his body done right. Here's his jacket done. Basically, I gotta add some stripes here. Okay, so a little fact about astamon, that he has wings. Sorry about that. That's that done. Okay, folks, that's how you draw astamon. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys again soon.